Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial series on how to use GreenScenario. Let's start with installing the software. So after we have launched Rhino, we type in Grasshopper folders. Select this, and then from the additional drop-down menu, we select the components option. This will open a file explorer in the libraries folder. Now we can just close Rhino, and in a separate window, open our file explorer and go to the M-Drev, which should be accessible to every Ramboll employee. Then from the M-Drev, select Trans, go to GreenScenario, and there is an installation folder. So just double click on that, and then you will see the entire folder of GreenScenario 2.0. Just copy this one over to the libraries folder that we had selected. Wait for it. Now we can close both File Explorer windows and restart Rhino. It will prompt you to select a template. So let's work with large object and meters. And then after we have launched the Rhino window, from the standard tab, we just launch Grasshopper. Depending on how many plugins you have installed, this process might take longer or shorter to start the application. And once this is done, you'll be able to see from these tabs over here, you'll be able to see GreenScenario 2.0. Some of you might see the legacy GreenScenario tab over here, but we're focusing right now on this GreenScenario 2.0 version. So this is the first step on how to install the software.